everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I had the day off, so I just spent the day just tidying up the house, and I thought you guys might want to clean along with me. So if this is your first time here, I hope you will hit that subscribe button down below and think about joining my little YouTube family. And if you would also hit the like button if you enjoy this video and leave a comment down below. But yeah, let's get into the video.
Lights down low, still wondering what you're saying. Stay. Please don't go, I'd rather have you staying. What is this game you're playing?
Of course, I have Archie here supervising while I do the dishes.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
I have my little helper here with me. Every time I get out the mop, she always has to get out her little mop too and help me.
Try to change, we can't fix our broken hearts. Loving me is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I don't wanna change who you are. I'm hurting you as well. Guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe. But it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see. But it feels like you're the one who's
not much, but it's all I have.
Okay, this is about the end of the video because I guess I just forgot to keep filming when I was cleaning the toilet, but not sure what happened there, but yeah, I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation out of this video. And once again, if you're new to this channel, I hope you will hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family, and I will see you guys all again in the next video. Bye guys.
Don't succeed.